So today I am in Hyde to hopefully see bears. Today we are in eastern Finland to see the great wildlife of Finland. We are just next to the border of Russia, just a few kilometers that way. This evening we're gonna be in a hide to take some pictures of the bears, maybe wolverines, eagles, the great wildlife of Finland. We will stay here tonight in this lovely house. I guess this weekend will be awesome.
hiking. I saw 3 bears, and I think I got some very good photos to show you. And I also took some pictures with this old camera with a 20mm. A bear came really close to the hide, and I get a great picture, I guess, but it's on film, so I need to develop the film to show the picture. As you can see, there is some other hides as well, and there is this photographer as well. I don't know if you can see, but I think this guy got monster lens. I think it's a Canon 500mm, something like that. I guess he gets some really great pictures. And there is also a tiny hide there. So nothing is happening right now. I guess I can call it a day. Nothing will happen anymore. I am waiting for the guy to pick me up and get it back to the hotel. And I will have dinner for tonight. I think it's over for today. See you tomorrow.
Good morning everyone! So I'm on my way back home. I just left the Wildlife Center this morning and I couldn't resist to stop to grab another photo. Look at this wonderful landscape. There is a tiny lake here and these beautiful lonely trees. I think it will turn great, this one. So I have set up the tripod with a 24-70 and the setup of filters, graduated NT filters and the polarizer. I think it will turn out great. You're gonna see it. What an epic weekend. I'm still on my way back home, but I wanted to stop for the sunsets and grab a last picture. So I pull out the 70-200 to grab this gorgeous landscape next to the lake. I can't wait to be back home to see the pictures on the computer. I think I got some really nice photo of the bears. Unfortunately we didn't see all the rain, but I don't mind. I will come back one day to continue this wildlife photography. I really enjoy to be in the hide, waiting for the bears to come, and it was really a nice experience. I hope you will have enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. So until next time, bye for now.